Okay, 15 June 2024, and that's Alok. Yeah, you got it right. He's 6 foot. So what? And here we have Nishma. Hi, good morning, Nishma. Okay, here we are. Sushil.
अरे हमने टाइम पास भी तो किया।
Hi, Abhik. And the kids. And this is Kabini, the Bison Wildlife Resort. Hi, Abhik. How's your room?
Good.
Can I have a peek?
Sure. Have a look.
This is, what do you call this room, by the way?
Waterfront.
Waterfront. Let's go. River Kabini. Origin Wayanad, flows through Kerala, Karnataka, and I think it enters into Tamil Nadu and gets into the ocean out there. Beautiful property here with around 15 rooms, pretty small, out of which 5 rooms are now occupied by us for the next couple of days. And the 2 boys. Introduce yourself.
Hello. My name is Advik. And his name is Kanu.
Wonderful.
But you can call me Krisha. No, my name is Krisha. You can call me Kanu.
Okay, Kanna. What is this? And look at that, they have an exterior shower as well. Okay.
Don't go into the trees. इसके रूफ में एक बड़ा ब्लैक टेल वाला क्रीचर आया था इसके बाथरूम के रूफ पे और फिर पेड़ पे लटक गया तो कभी भी नीचे आ सकता है इसलिए पेड़ में जाने के लिए मना कर रहे हैं
Yo, 16 June 2024, day 2 of our trip. Early morning, 5:30, 5 o'clock is when we woke up. Now we are heading towards what we call the boat safari. We are on the boat safari. The entire crew is here. And here we are with a beautiful Kabini river. Again, the river originates from a place called Wayanad, which is in Kerala, and then flows through Karnataka, going all the way to Tamil Nadu. So that's our east. Sushil with great difficulty opening his eyes. Hi, Gia. Hi, bro. And the other bro. Hey, bro. How are you? All good? Fresh? Okay, are you enjoying the boat ride? Okay, cool.
वो तो ऐसे ही रहते हैं मतलब
ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆ ಥರ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಡೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್.
You happy with your life?
ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Alok, you happy with your life?
Absolutely. I think I made a right choice that time.
Okay.
I think.
Next 15-20 years.
15 years.
Same.
Yeah.
As is.
Same as maybe settle somewhere
In the jungle.
in the jungle, having a retirement life.
Sushil, Tanu, welcome to my show. How long you have been known to each other?
13 years.
And married?
13 years.
So when is the second coming?
No.
God, not avoiding. The way he came, no. I mean jeans and all very ढीला ढाला सा और इतना मोटा चांदी का चेन, ओम लॉकेट, ये दोनों कानों एक कान में इतना मोटा सा
शर्ट ओपन, 2-3 बटन ओपन ऐसे आराम से.
इसको मुझे देखते ही ना वो रिजेक्ट कर रहे थे.
ये शायद यही सोच के गया था कि रिजेक्ट हो जाऊंगा.
My father liked him so much. वो एकदम वो थे फोकस्ड. तो नहीं, he is very honest. He is very honest.
ऐसा ऑनेस्ट क्या चीज बताया?
सैलरी.
I love you.
Wow, wonderful. Cool. Thank you guys. I really wish the best for your life. Abik,
Nobody
the
else
nation
allowed
wants
in
to
the
know.
room.
Now, the nation wants to know a boy who was so humble, who would have not lifted his head to even check onto the girls who were there in the class, ended up marrying somebody beautiful, a very responsible, an entrepreneur and whatnot. So, Arnab Goswami wants to know, the nation wants to know, how did this unfold in your life? What really happened? How did you meet Kalpana? And how did this all come into play?
Then I went and met her. I actually probably clicked on her profile thrice by mistake, but the mistake happened for good.
That is a big
10,
glass.
2010.
He would go to the second level also. 12.
Which color?
4:30 p.m.
Okay. Oh my God. And dress?
Dress was golden and brown.
अच्छी तैयारी करके आए लोग.
Oh my God. Really?
What are the few things which you really liked about her?
Her smile.
What is it about him which you liked?
I don't know. He was very like calm, cute kind of banda. That's it.
Okay. No,
That's the only
well.
thing which I like.
Only.
When
You
I
did
saw
not
his,
know how
profile-
the genius Abid Das
The
then.
genius behind it that you would have not
No,
known
no,
at that
no,
point
no,
in time.
no, no,
So when you started talking to him, did you get a realization that
Yeah.
he's a genius?
Yes.
He can hack into the systems. He can make more money for you, etc.,
And
etc.
we like dogs also.
Can you look at each other and narrate the three magical words? Look at each other. That's wonderful. What did he say?
I love you.
बंगाली में I like.
Okay, and what about you?
Nanu Ninna Pritistini
Wow, that's super cool.
and I love you.
Yeah.
And Kalpana.
Kalpana, come on.
Three languages.
Yeah, wonderful. I admire. You're a smart guy, dude. You're a genius.
Is.
Kalpana, come on.
She is not telling.
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay. 3 words she is saying.
No, it's okay.
I'm happy that we're all still together. We are in touch, and this is happening. On that context, Avik, I've been a great admirer of you. I've always been an admirer of smart people, so I wish the very best for you in your life.
So hi Ravi.
Hi, Kalpana.
Hello Rashmi.
City.
No, I didn't know he existed.
The reason of I telling this story.
Can they ask questions?
So my point is,
Next
this is it's not that I've got a superior wife or anything like that, but that. I say, fella, I say, can you promise me that you will marry me?
How do you like his sense of humor?
Sometimes I feel it is too much, but then over the years I am like he enjoys it. He loves talking to people
and being friendly. So I mean, it doesn't bother me.
Cool. Yeah, this was good.
बना ले स्कैंडलस वीडियो
बच्चे हमारे बाबा क्या
हॉस्टल में
क्या हो
बहुत
गया
लोगों ने सुशील की इज्जत के साथ खिलवाड़ किया
And this is my Atto 3. And it's declared and convinced that this is much better than Hyundai Ioniq. And this is 10 lakh cheaper than that particular car. How cool is that?
उनको भी न्यूज़ बता। हाँ, रवि अंकल।
Ravi, what happened? Why are we back to uncle?
You know, oh sorry, Ravi. You know what happened? Don't go into the trees. इसके रूफ में एक बड़ा ब्लैक टेल वाला क्रीचर आया था। इसके बाथरूम के रूफ पे और फिर पेड़ पे लटक गया। तो कभी भी नीचे आ सकता है। इसलिए पेड़ में जाने के लिए मना कर रहे हैं।
Okay, Avni, ready?
Yeah.
Ah!